Jong Hilario, may pabonggang 5th birthday party sa anak na si Serena. Bilang pagdiriwang sa ikalimang kaarawan ng anak ni Jong na si Serena Hilario, ay isang masayang birthday party nga, ang naganap kahapon sa Bonifacio High Streets, kung saan ay dumalo din ang mga Showtime kids at mga malapit na kaibigan ni Serena at kanilang pamilya. Nagpakitang gilas din si Serena at sumayaw sa kanyang birthday party. Masayang-masaya rin si Jong Hilario at kanyang partner na si Maia para sa kanilang anak.
Nice, nice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everybody. Once again, a big. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, faster this time. Clap your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, everybody close your eyes. Close your eyes. Mommy, daddy, close your eyes. Make a wish. Make a wish for Serena. But happy birthday, Serena. 1, 2, 3, go!